Right, well, ma'am, welcome to the broadcast. First of all, Saleng Sangma is trending at the moment. Did you see this coming at all?
Yes, we hope so. And today's victories will be people's victory of Garo Hills. Party has done well. He has done well. And we are hoping. And then for a change, I think people of Garo Hills, they wanted to vote for Congress this time.
You said people of Garo Hills wanted to vote for the Congress this time. So that means there is anti-incumbency. Why do you think that's happening?
See, people of Garo Hills, they have voted for a family for 47 years. Maybe after 47 years, people of Garo Hills, they wanted to vote for a different party, different candidate. That is the main reason.
So, hypothetical situation, if the Congress wins this time, so that means we will see a Saleng Sangma in the lower house. What are some of the issues that, the Congress will address if at all it goes to the lower house this time?
Definitely, he will go to the lower house. He will be MP in Garo Hills. Definitely, he will take up Minis issues. That 1, 2, 3, whatever issues he will take up, that I cannot say right now. Because people, they have voted for a change. Definitely, he will voice in the parliament.